In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do SEO for a GoDaddy website step by step. If you've built your site using GoDaddy's website builder and you're wondering how to get it to show up on Google, this tutorial is exactly what you need. We'll walk through the built-in SEO settings inside GoDaddy and optimize your pages the right way. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple website and SEO tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is sign in to your GoDaddy account. Open your browser, go to godaddy.com, and click on the Sign In button at the top right. Enter your email address and password, then log in to access your dashboard. Once you're inside your account, you'll be able to manage all your products, including your website. After signing in, go to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, choose My Products. This section shows all the domains, hosting plans, and websites connected to your account. Scroll down until you find your website builder product. Next, click on Edit Website. This will open the GoDaddy website editor where you can make changes to your site's design, content, and most importantly for this tutorial, your SEO settings. Now that you're inside the website editor, go to the top right corner and click on Settings. A menu will appear with different configuration options. From that list, choose SEO Settings. This is where you can control how your website appears in search engines like Google. Inside the SEO settings, you'll be able to select the page you want to optimize. It's important to optimize each key page individually, such as your home page, services page, about page, or contact page. Select your desired page from the list. Now you'll see fields where you can enter your SEO information. In the description field, enter a clear and concise summary of that page. This description should include your main keywords naturally. For example, if you run a digital marketing agency, your description might include phrases like digital marketing services, SEO agency, or social media management. Keep it relevant, readable, and focused on what your audience is searching for. After entering your description, click on Start Optimizing. GoDaddy's built-in SEO tool will guide you through additional recommendations, such as improving headings, adding keywords to your content, and making sure your page has enough relevant text. Follow these suggestions carefully because they help improve your visibility in search engines. Make sure each page has a clear title, proper headings, and content that matches the keywords you're targeting. Also ensure your website loads properly, looks good on mobile devices, and has relevant images with descriptive text. All of these factors contribute to better SEO performance. Once you've finished optimizing your pages, the final step is to publish your changes. Click on Publish in the top right corner of the editor. This makes your SEO updates live so search engines can start indexing your improved content. And that's it. That's how you do SEO for a GoDaddy website using the built-in tools. Remember, SEO is not a one-time task. Keep updating your content, refining your keywords, and improving your pages over time to get better rankings. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and SEO guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.